How to fix game mode not showing in some games on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Game mode allows your iPhone to pause all the background activity on your iPhone to enhance the performance of your game. So, if you open some game on your iPhone and the game mode is not showing, then there are a few fixes that you can try. As you can see here, I have opened Free Fire and the game mode is showing. But if it is not showing in your case, then you can firstly launch the settings application and tap on General and then on Software Update. Make sure you are using the latest version, and if not, then go ahead and update your iOS. Next fix is to restart your device. So go ahead and restart your device and see if that fixes your issue, as restarting the device helps in fixing temporary glitches on your iPhone. And if your issue is still not fixed, try to completely delete the app from your device and then reinstall the application if that fixes your issue. Also, make sure that not all games support game mode yet, so make sure to check the compatibility of the game. So this is how you can fix game mode not showing in some games on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.